To solve a 2 by 2 system of equations, to find and use least common multiples, to solve multi-step equations. Example. In this case, you have a -5 and a +5. They're opposite numbers. There's no need to do anything other than add them together. There's no need to multiply. So when you add them together, you should come up with a cancellation there. And then 5 plus 3 is 8, and 40 plus 40 is 80. Divide 80 by 8 to get an answer of 10 for y. Now you must choose the first or second equation, either this one or this one, to plug in y equals 10. I'll choose the second one. So that's 5x plus 3 times 10, and that equals 40. Simplify to get 30, and move that to the other side. Change the operation, simplify, and then divide. X is 2, so your final answer is 210. 2x plus y equals 24. Negative 5x minus y equals negative 54. Solve the system of equations. The solution for the practice. Notice you have a 2 and a 5 out here on the left, so you're going to have to multiply the top by 5 and then the bottom by 2 to get tens in this position. When you do that, you end up with 10x plus 5y equals 120, and on the bottom, negative 10x minus 2y equals a negative 108. Add, since you have opposite signs. The x's cancel out, and you'll have 3y equals 12. Divide 12 by 3 to get 4 for y. I'm going to plug that one into this equation. That is 2x plus 4 substituted in for y equals 24. Move that 4 to the right, change the operation, simplify, divide. X is 10. So your answer is 10, 4. The solution for the practice problem is that you have a 3 and a 5, so the least common multiple is 15. Multiply the top by 5, bottom by 3. When you do that, you get a negative 15x minus 25y equals a negative 370. And then on the bottom you get 15x plus 15y equals 270. You must add these together because you have opposite signs there. Negative 25 plus 15 is a negative 10, and negative 370 plus 270 is a negative 100. Divide and come up with an answer of 10 for y. I'll put that into this equation here. So that is 5x plus 5 times 10 equals 90. And simplify to get 50. Move that to the right side and change the operation to minus. Simplify the right side to get 40. Divide 40 by 5 to get an answer of 8 for x, making your final answer altogether 8, 10. The solution for the practice, you have a 4 and a 3. You want to turn those into 12s. So to do that, you're going to multiply the top by 3 and the bottom by 4. When you do that, you have negative 12x minus 12y equals negative 24. And on the bottom, negative 12x plus 16y equals a negative 220. Now, since your signs are the same on the 12s, you must subtract. Those cancel out. Negative 12 minus 16 is a negative 28. And negative 24 minus a negative 220 is 196. Divide that by negative 28 to get a negative 7 for y. I'm going to plug that negative 7 in on the top equation. So that's a negative 4x minus 4 times a negative 7 equals a negative 8. So simplify to get a plus 28 here. That's a double negative. And then move that 28 to the right. Make it a minus 28. Simplify to a negative 36. Divide by 4. And I lost my negative sign here on my 4. There's a negative there. There should be one here and here. So we're dividing by a negative 4. That should give us a positive 9 for x. And your total answer here should be 9, negative 7.